All right, let's do an example now. So in this example, we're given angle, side, right? So we're given this side and these two angles. So angle, side, right? So we're going to use the law of sines to solve this. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, actually what they want us to do is they want us to solve the rest of the missing measures, the other angles and the other sides. So the first thing, easiest thing to do is just find the other angle here, angle A. Because we know that the three interior angles of a triangle has to add up to 180 degrees. So let's do that. So angle A is going to equal what? It's going to equal 180 minus angle C, which is 102, minus 29. Okay? And so we subtract off, we're going to subtract up 131. So 131, right, 131 subtracted from 180 is going to be 49. So we have 49 degrees for angle A. All right, cool. Now, first thing we need to do is we need to find h, the height of the triangle. So let's draw the dotted line. So here's our h, right? So we need to find h, and we've got this 28, so let's use the 28. So we're going to use sine A, right? It's opposite over hypotenuse. So we're going to do sine A sine A equals h over b, which is 28, right? So h equals 28 sine of 49 degrees. Oh. Actually, we don't need to do this. Let me think here. No, we don't need to do this. Let's just jump right into the law of sines. Now that we've got the three angles, we can actually just jump into the law of sines. So let's do that. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay, so we've got, let's just use the law of sines. So we've got A over sine A, and let's solve for let's solve for A. So we got B over sine B, right? So let's use that. Okay, so we know B, and we know sine A, and we can get sine B, right? So we got those angles. The only thing we don't know is A. So let's solve for A. So A equals what? It's going to be B sine A over sine B. By the way, just so you know, B sine A is actually H, right? So it's just, I was going to do one more step, but the law of sines kind of takes care of all that. So that's why I wasn't thinking. So here, A equals B sine A over sine B. Now, this is where your calculator comes in. So if you stick this in your calculator, you're going to get approximately equal to 43.59. 43.59. 6.59 feet. All right, so now all we have to do is use the law of sines again to find C. So let's do that over here. So we got C over sine C is equal to, now this is where I would go back to A, because again, we estimated A here, or excuse me, not A, we're going to go back to B because we estimated A here, so we don't want to use an estimated calculation in any of our calculations. So let's go back to what we originally have, which is B over sine B. Okay, so now we're going to do the exact same thing. So this is going to be equal, so C is going to equal sine C, right, times B, over sine B, which is equal to 28 sine 102, sine of 102, 102 degrees, divided by sine of 49 degrees. And so C is approximately, again, stick it in your calculator, 56.49 feet. And so now we've solved the triangle. Okay? And that's it. So, not bad.